Welcome back, guys. This one is here, and we got this one here now. So it's here. We got lots of ducks, and finally the other one there goes over there. We got one here now, so it's good. This one is here. We also got lots of ducks here. Lots of food. They are eating birds. They are eating. They got lots of foods. They like foods. That's why they are all here in the side now, because they like these foods. Come on, Sarah, feed them so that they can have over there. The other one went back to the other side. And Sarah, one is here. This one. Come on, Sarah, feed the next one so that it doesn't go here. Here's the ducks. They're all here, and then over there. So much ducks.
That's a swan.
They bite. Yeah. They bite.
Yeah.
Yeah, they bite. That's why.
Bite.
They bite. Yeah, they eat a lot. I think they will become
What's this one?
put on weight after this. Lots of feedings. Most of them will put on weight after this.
That's a duck.
Yeah, they eat birds foods.
Swan.
The swan is there, guys.
Can you say swan?
The swan is over there. Yeah. Swan, come on, swan.
Can you say swan?
Swan is very
How'd you get Dawson?
happy swan.
Look.
Oh, they want to say hello to you, Timmy.
Yeah.
Hello, ducks.
Then I had a
ducks.
lot of things.
I think they have a lot of food.
Look, bread.
They are here, guys. They are here, guys. Hello, hello, you too. They're all here, guys. They are eating, and then one here. One here, guys. I can smell now the smell of the duck. They're all here, guys. Where's this one? Duck? Yeah, they're scratching himself, this one. Oh. Guys. Come on, Sarah, feed that swan. Hello, swan. Are you itchy?
Yeah, bite your fingers.
Yeah, you can bite. Oh, the other swan is coming, guys.
Oh
Yeah,
no!
it's coming now. Look. He can come here.
Oh, they're going in the water.
Yeah.
Oh no! The swan!
He's coming.
No!
He's coming now. He's looking his mate. That is his mate. They are mates. So they are here.
Oh,
Swan, swan.
I thank you.
Say thank you for the food. They like eating, isn't it? That's their favorite. Eating is their favorite.
Before you get all ready, I'll throw you over and you can go swimming.
No, or this duck.
You okay?
Yeah.
The ducks won't, the swan will. The swan will peck your fingers. Yes, swan. Yes, swan. your hands over there and you go. Go then. Put your hands in there.
Here, look at the ducks.
Kiss
Ah,
it.
this is a swan. There is a swan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch that. Did you hear that noise?
Yeah.
That's him saying, I'll bite your fingers if you put your fingers in there.
You should have walked like
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel. And it's very beautiful day today. And everyone is enjoying the day. So everyone is having a good time with the ducks and the swan. So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. Bye for now guys.